Everyone needs someone who will, give you a guidance in your life when you're choosing some career options or something like that.
That's why we have MyTag app. MyTag app is a platform that offers personalized career advices and guidance to anyone looking to take the next step in their professional career. We understand that choosing a career can be overwhelming, but our team of expert counselors are here to help you find clarity and confidence in your lives. Our website offers a range of services, including the discovery of top colleges. You can predict your rank based on the exam, and you can put in your score and get the rank predicted. Get admission in your dream colleges in a nearby location based on the ranking with course fees. You can also get access to the popular courses. You can find about the top schools based on location, fees, and reviews. You can compare the colleges based on their fees, placements, and the scores. You can also predict what are the top colleges you can get into based on your rank. You can also predict and get insights, details of the placement record of different colleges for different positions. Last but not the least, you can also get the results of all your competitive exams and board exams in just one click. So, what are you waiting for? Already, 1,521 students have applied and nearly 10,380 students have registered. You're missing out on really good stuff. Through MyTag app, we are bringing complete transparency to each and every step of a student's admission. Hence, the admission status will be witnessed by both the institution and the students.